A love story told as a duet between a man and woman who found each other after personal pain and healing. They speak of where love began, how it saved them and how they vow never to fall apart. Is a powerful and very call and response. Except to English, blending global appeal with African soul. Final little outro is soft, echoing the phrase Rudo, Rudo. Style emotion, Afro-Soul. You cast to bambo, it's my dad. Then I saw you in the shadow. You had fire in your eyes like a spirit from my dreams, and you said, I was broken, I was bleeding, I was tired of pretending. But your voice was like healing, like rain in the dry season. Pakatanga Rudo, pakatwa moyo wangu, handi chada kuparadana. Forever tikaramba tichivimba, suvareka tichivaka. Rudo red rusi na mugumo. Even if the sky falls down, even if the world forgets our sound, we'll still sing our names in the wind, in the flame, because love remembers love. Pakatanga Rudo.